Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a really basic colored border around your photos inside of Adobe Photoshop. So once you've launched your photo and it's imported into Photoshop, you want to go ahead and create a brand new layer and then go into the color selection menu at the bottom left and select any color that you would like. So now from here, we need to go ahead and find the paint bucket tool. And once we've found that, we can change the color of the blank layer to the solid color. So all you need to do is click on the frame and it will change that to your color. Now in this example, that's yellow, but feel free to choose whatever color you would like. Now from here, we'll go into the rectangle mask and we'll draw a rectangle mask around the outside, leaving a small gap between the edge of the frame and your mask. From here, we'll go into the eraser tool, pull the size and the hardness up of the eraser tool, and then we'll just erase the inside of that mask. Hold Command D to deselect the mask, and there you go. That is how you add a mask to your photo inside of Adobe Photoshop. And all you need to do to change the color of this mask, if you've changed your mind, is change the color, go back to the paint bucket tool, and then just select the yellow or the orange or whatever color that you're using. And that's how you add a border to your photos inside of Adobe Photoshop.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.